Starting a chicken farm can be a rewarding and profitable venture, whether for personal egg consumption, meat production, or a full-scale business. With proper planning, knowledge, and care, you can establish a sustainable poultry farm that thrives. In this guide, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to get started. 1. Define your farming objectives. Start by clarifying your farming objectives to ensure a clear direction for your poultry venture. First, determine the primary purpose of your farm. Will you focus on egg production, meat, or both? Understanding this will help you make informed decisions on breed selection and farm setup. Next, decide on the scale of your operation. Are you planning a small backyard hobby farm, or do you envision a large commercial enterprise? Your chosen scale will influence your investment, infrastructure, and management approach. Finally, select the right breeds that align with your goals. Broilers, such as the Cornish cross, are ideal for meat production due to their rapid growth and high meat yield, while layers like Leghorns or Rhode Island Reds are bred for consistent egg production. Making these key decisions at the start will set the foundation for a successful and efficient chicken farm. 2. Develop a comprehensive business plan. Developing a comprehensive business plan is essential for guiding your poultry farm towards success. Start with a thorough market analysis by researching the local demand for chicken products, whether eggs, meat, or both. Understanding your target market will help you price your products competitively and identify the best sales channels. Next, focus on budgeting by calculating the initial setup costs, ongoing expenses, and projected income. This will give you a clear picture of how much capital you need to start and sustain the farm. If additional funds are required, explore financing options such as personal savings, bank loans, or agricultural grants to support your venture. Lastly, incorporate risk management strategies by preparing for potential challenges like disease outbreaks, feed price fluctuations, and market changes. A well-structured business plan will serve as your roadmap, helping you stay organized and make informed decisions as you grow your poultry farm. 3. Secure suitable land and housing. Securing suitable land and proper housing is vital for maintaining the health and productivity of your chickens. Choose a location with ample space, good drainage, and easy access to clean water to ensure a hygienic and comfortable environment. When designing the coop, prioritize shelter, ventilation, and protection from predators to keep your flock safe and stress-free. Adequate space is essential to prevent overcrowding, which can lead to health issues and aggressive behavior among chickens. Additionally, invest in the necessary equipment, including feeders, waterers, nesting boxes for layers, and perches for roosting. Providing a well-structured and secure environment will promote optimal growth, high egg production, and overall well-being for your chickens. 4. Acquire healthy chicks. Acquiring healthy chicks is essential for starting a successful poultry farm. It is important to source your chicks from reputable suppliers to ensure strong and disease-free birds. When selecting chicks, decide whether to purchase day-old chicks or older pullets. Day-old chicks require more intensive care, including proper brooding, warmth, and specialized feed, while pullets are closer to laying age and need less time before becoming productive. Additionally, always ensure that the chicks are vaccinated and free from diseases to prevent early mortality and health complications. Starting with healthy birds will set a strong foundation for a thriving and profitable chicken farm. 5. Implement proper feeding and nutrition. Proper feeding and nutrition play a crucial role in the growth, health, and productivity of your chickens. Providing high-quality feed that is balanced and appropriate for their age and purpose is essential. For example, broilers require protein-rich feed for rapid growth, while layers need calcium-rich feed to support strong eggshell formation. Supplementing their diet with essential vitamins and minerals can further enhance their overall health and prevent nutritional deficiencies. Additionally, ensuring that clean, fresh water is always available is just as important as feed, as dehydration can lead to serious health issues and reduced productivity. By maintaining a well-balanced diet and proper hydration, you can maximize the growth rate, egg production, and overall well-being of your flock. 6. Establish biosecurity and health management practices. Establishing strong biosecurity and health management practices is essential for maintaining a healthy and productive flock. Vaccinations should be administered according to a proper schedule to protect chickens from common poultry diseases that could otherwise devastate your farm. Maintaining strict sanitation by regularly cleaning the coop, feeders, and waterers helps minimize the risk of infections and keeps the environment safe for your birds. Additionally, daily monitoring of your chickens is crucial. Observing their behavior, appetite, and physical condition can help detect early signs of illness or distress. By prioritizing biosecurity and proactive health management, you can prevent disease outbreaks and ensure the long-term success of your poultry farm. 7. Plan for waste management. Planning for effective waste management is crucial for maintaining a clean and sustainable poultry farm. One of the best ways to manage chicken waste is through composting, where manure is converted into nutrient-rich compost that can be used to improve soil quality for gardening or crop farming. Proper disposal methods should also be implemented to prevent environmental contamination and unpleasant odors. Managing waste efficiently not only helps maintain hygiene on the farm but also supports sustainability by turning waste into a valuable resource for agricultural use. 8. Explore marketing strategies. Exploring effective marketing strategies is key to successfully selling your poultry products and growing your business. One approach is to tap into local markets by participating in farmers' markets or supplying fresh eggs and meat to nearby grocery stores, restaurants, or butcher shops. Direct sales can also be a profitable option, allowing you to offer farm-to-table products directly to consumers, building trust and customer loyalty. Additionally, establishing an online presence through social media platforms can help you reach a wider audience, showcase your farm, and engage with potential buyers. By combining local outreach with digital marketing, you can create a strong customer base and maximize the profitability of your poultry farm. 9. Stay informed and adapt. Staying informed and adapting to changes is essential for long-term success in poultry farming. Agriculture is constantly evolving, and keeping up with the latest industry trends can give you a competitive edge. Educating yourself through workshops, reading industry publications, and networking with experienced farmers can provide valuable insights and practical knowledge. Additionally, being open to new practices and technologies, such as automated feeding systems or improved biosecurity measures, can enhance efficiency and sustainability on your farm. By continuously learning and adapting, you can improve productivity, reduce costs, and ensure your poultry business thrives in an ever-changing industry. Embarking on a chicken farming journey requires careful planning, dedication, and a commitment to continuous learning. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to establishing a thriving and sustainable chicken farm. For a more in-depth understanding and practical tips, consider downloading our ebook, Sustainable Backyard Chicken Farming Guide. This comprehensive resource offers valuable insights to help you succeed in your poultry farming endeavors. We'd love to hear about your experiences or any questions you have as you start your chicken farming journey. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on sustainable agriculture.